let me teach you how to do 3 minutes rubber band gelly.
Dead baby. What's up?
Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. Please, my people, please try and concentrate. So what I am doing there, please observe something. Pin the pin, you need pin for this journey of head wrap. Just put your pin there so that later if you want to use it. This one is a rubber band. Okay, this material I have here with me, my people, is ashoke. So this material is not that long. The length is 80. So we are going to do the measurement 40, 60. So the shorter part is the 40, the longer part is the 60. So please, my people, just try and focus and see the way we are going to achieve this style. This style is very easy and it's beautiful. You can do it when you are standing. Before you enter church, you can just achieve this style in front of your car. It's very easy. See the way I create it. This is the front fan, the front flower. So you can do smaller one if you don't want it to be big. So just see the way I'm going to do it now. Right now we are going to use rubber band. To you see the way do it twice. In case you don't like this style, I have more than 600 videos on my YouTube channel. Go and rock. Okay, right now we are going to place it on our head. Right now it's very easy. Now you place it on your head. You know, when you are going to church, don't be saying I don't know how to tie. I have different style, different head wrap. Go to my YouTube because my Facebook is very busy. When you look for video, you can't see it there. But my YouTube is more easier to find any head wrap style. Go to my YouTube, Dead Beauty. Yes. Okay, now you cross it. That smaller part, which is the 40, see the way we are going to do it. We are going to make sure we are going to use the shorter one to take it round and tucking it inside the longer one. See the way I just stretch the back side so that in case if you want to cover your back side, that is another easy way to cover the back. So this 40, see the way I open this longer one and now drop the shorter part inside. Then you start your twisting. Oh God, very easy. In case you are going to event, oh my God, or you are going to church, your women's day, you are going to service, you are going to you want don't be left out. I don't know. Many people still tell me they don't know how to tie gele, except you are not my followers. Learn. So we are going to make useful of that pin now. Okay, just pin in there. Done. We are almost there. Now see the way I bring it. Okay. Now and I twist the flower to the front side for us to have that beautiful front style. Then you use pin. See that pin is very useful. This head wrap need like 3 pin. Okay. That pin, then we are going to pin the other side. Yes, pin it. That is it. In case you are watching me for the first time, I base in United Kingdom, London. I'm a makeup artist. We do makeup, we do gele, we do photo shoot. Go to my Instagram, you will see many of my jobs. They are there. We do okuku as well, the traditional bridal hair okuku. You can have it for your photo shoot, for your traditional marriage. See, my number is there. Come to my studio. We do different type of photo shoot. My people, contact me. We sell makeup product as well. We sell perfume. Okay, I am super excited. See you on my next video. Bye.